Do you know many people are having trouble with adjusting the time display and monitoring gas mileage on their 2013 Hyundai Elantra? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Initiate clear trip meter. Initiate a clear trip meter to 0 by holding down the reset button for more than a second when the trip meter is displayed on the dashboard. Step 2. Observe your odometer. Observe your odometer, which indicates the total distance your Elantra has traveled. This is useful to determine when to schedule maintenance. Step 3. Check fuel gauge. The fuel gauge indicates the approximate amount of fuel left in your tank. When the tank is almost empty, a low fuel warning light is illuminated. Step 4. Estimate distance remaining. Your car has a distance to empty mode, provides an estimate of how many miles can be covered based on current fuel levels. A blinking indicator reveals when the distance is less than 30 miles. Step 5. Follow low fuel warning. Beware to drive cautiously when the fuel level drops. You should refuel immediately when the warning light comes on, or when the gauge is close to is empty. Step 6. Reset fuel economy. For accurate fuel economy calculations, reset the average fuel economy mode after refueling and driving at least 0.3 miles. Now that you've completed these steps, you should be able to easily adjust your time display and monitor your car's gas mileage. Safe travels! Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There, you will also find questions and answers from other Hyundai users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.